Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove widgets from lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen and you will see if you want to remove widget from lock screen, so click on widgets and click on this minus icon and you will see widget is removed. After the process, click on done and you will see widget is removed on your lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove widget from lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.